Hello viewer, here is an image we are going to make. First we have to make a selection there, and further here is the different option we will apply on it. There is a blue design constant there. Use the paint for it. So still we will move that selection on that side. We can pick up the different filters from the filter gallery to have it add more attraction to it. Number of levels go with it. So that is a design. You can see there is a